Hey gang, in this simple TUTcandy.com tutorial we're going to learn how to make custom Photoshop brushes. They're very simple and they come in handy and speed up the workflow of pretty much any job I work on. So I thought I'd share it with you. First of all, one thing you would need to know about your brushes is that they can only be 2500 pixels by 2500 pixels. That's as large as from CS2 to CS4. That's as large as the brushes can be. So I think to start this project, just create a new document at, you guessed it, 2500 pixels by 2500 pixels. And as you can see, I've already got some artwork here. What I need to do next is place that artwork. Sorry, I'm gonna put the wrong artwork there. I'm gonna grab this splatter and place it into my new blank document I just made, which is at 2500 pixels by 2500 pixels. Once we've got it in there, you can see from my scan there's the paper color's a little bit grey, there's a little bit of a line down here. So first thing we need to do is come up to adjustments and we'll adjust the levels. Normally all it takes is a squeeze in from both sides and we got it. For more intricate, for more detailed splatters or paint strokes or whatever you're using, you can just have a play with that. The other thing here I need to get rid of is I'll just come down and however you want to use, you can erase it or you can simply mask this little bit out we don't want and delete it. Either way you want to go about that, you can. You can set this up so it sits in the middle. The other thing which is great that we don't have to do for brushes is brushes are set up so anything that is grayscale, it cuts out, so there's no need to mask complex splatters out or anything like that. So any grayscale bitmap you can make a brush. Next thing we need to do is go up to edit. We want to define brush preset and just rename your brush to whatever you want. I'm going to call this splatter with square. Just hit OK, and there we go. We can now go up through our brushes. It's probably the last one I've made, and I'll turn my opacity up first. We've now made a new brush. It's that simple. And once you've got a really detailed Photoshop file up, it becomes that simple if you've got a good arsenal of brushes. I'm quickly going to show you just another one. I'm going to show you another one using triangles, just to show you can use basically any file you want to make a brush. And like I said, it really speeds up your workflow. So okay, let's just quickly, I'm just going to close that, don't need to save it, it's already saved into a brushes file, and I'm going to close this splatter that I no longer need. So once again, new file, 2500 pixels by 2500 pixels, yay, happy with that. Now I need to just click and drag in my triangles layer. I'm happy with that, so now I'm going to go back to full screen mode. As you can see, I need to move this now so it's all fits within the screen. So I'm going to hit Control T or Command T on the Mac and just squeeze it in so I'm happy that it fits within my 2500 pixel square. When I'm happy, I can simply hit enter. Once again, go up to edit, go down to define brush preset, and I'm going to call this brush, let's just make it easy, triangles. Once I've now got that brush, I can go in and select my brush. It would be the last one once again, and I've now got this really cool triangle that I can change the colors for, and you can see anywhere it's grey, it was grayscale before, so anywhere it's gone grey, it's now transparent. And that's about it. As you can see here, I've used a brush to create some cool effects. So yeah, get in there and try your own.